Hello everybody, how are we doing? It's Thursday and I thought it's time to do a nice video for you all. Following my experiences this week with certain people who are a bunch of fucking idiots, I thought I'd put my mind to how I could automate stuff a bit better and artificial stupidity. Let's go. What are we watching? We're watching my computer screen typing something. What could it be? Automate writing code. We're going to write code to print a text file like a typewriter. Import time, import sys, import random, imp underscore file equals scores.txt. Now we've got a loop and a function called teletype underscore print that's going to print the text. Wow, this is going to be amazing. Fetch underscore scores. So it looks like the fetch underscore scores is it's using the input file and it's going to do something with it. It's going to open it, it's going to read it as a file, and it's going to run the teletype function on it. This is almost like something I saw on an amazing YouTube video the other day with Dr. Pi was doing. Fetch scores. Right. Keep watching, this is going to be amazing. So all this code is going to get saved to a file with a .py file extension, and it looks like the code, the text created by this file, this magic file that's just been printed to the screen, is going to be saved as a .py file, and then that's going to do something. So let's see what happens. Right, ready? Hey.
Well, Dr. Pi, you've certainly excelled yourself this time. Yeah, I thought you were an idiot, but this is actually quite clever. So anybody watching, they need to pay attention to this. They might actually learn something, probably. I don't know, I've got learning difficulties anyway, so don't ignore me, I'm foolish.
Yeah, so as a bit of a treat, I'm going to show you football results, how they used to appear in the 70s. You have to be a bit of an old grey stinker to really remember that. So I'm mixing retro 70s football results with some virtual stupidity. Let's go. Well, in a minute. Just got to type some stuff manually first because I'm an idiot. So quite a common theme this week. Fucking idiots. Helps if you put Python 3 first, you fucking idiot. Yeah, that's it. You got it? Yep. Up a bit. Right, let's go. Buttock Master Premier League. Queen's Park Reg 3. Bumham 0. Thieves 0. Grub Shack 1. MB United 2. FG none. Screwfix League 1. Kinger 0. Bergerac 0. Payne 0. Vern 1. International matches: England 0. Israel 2. Data supplied by Belmop. There we go, mofos. Hope you enjoyed.
Thanks, Dr. Pie, that was amazing. Can you do another video really soon? These are ace videos, man. See ya.